China from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with day 30 of May I Scraplift You. So today we are scrap lifting Joy Annie Scrapping in my own private Idaho. I know it's a bit long of a title, but this is a beautiful layout that she created. And when I checked, she only had 120 subscribers, so I know that she would love it if you come over and subscribe to her channel. And I absolutely love this layout because y'all know I am obsessed with bees. And I love it, so I am going to kind of stick kind of close to this. I have flowers that I fussy cut because I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I have the rest of my flowers I fussy cut. I have this from my stickers. I have a bee that I die cut out. I have this title that I die cut out. And this. And then I have some border stickers from my collection that I'm wanting to use up. And I cut this out on the Cricut to kind of match what she had going on in the background of her layout. And I have some papers. I'm going to use a background paper from my collection. And then I have my photos, which are photos of my grandbaby Kaylee. I had got a bowl from Taco Bell, and it had sour cream on the lid. And she loved it. You can see she literally was licking the lid, and it was the funniest thing. She was only probably about a year old, and I just found it really funny. So let's just work on putting all this stuff together. I'm gonna follow pretty closely. I apologize that I am running behind on everything. I'm just playing catch up with life. And I feel like I'm getting a little bit there. So it's almost June, which I can't believe already. Half the year is gone. And I'm still struggling with allergies. It has been raining every day. We actually had a semi-decent day today that wasn't a ton of rain, but... And I think tomorrow is supposed to be pretty, and I hope so. But my garden, I finally got it planted out in between the rain, and it's not doing good, and I think it's because of all the rain. I'm going to put my border strips down first. Sorry for the sniffles, that's why I have just been fast forwarding my videos a lot of times, because if not, I am just spending the whole video sniffling, and it gets on my nerves, so I know it gets on y'all's. I'm just going to put this here. I like how she did two different borders on hers. They were really pretty. But I am trying to use up these stickers, so that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to put my hexagons down. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to go like this with it. So it's just peeking out a little bit. And then I'm going to add my photos on here. I'm so proud, y'all. I have almost used up all of my, I get a net in here. This rain is killing me. I have used up almost my whole kit of my Simple Vintage Life in Bloom collection. And I think I have, I think it's only like 2 full sheets left of paper, and then all the rest of it is scraps. And I had like 2 complete kits when I started out for the month, so I'm counting that as a huge win. And that is not where I want that. Just kidding. Just kidding. Wipe all the glue off real fast. That's what happens when I start talking. I start messing up. Okay, so there's that. And then I have my flowers I'm going to add in. This one is really quick because it's just simple elements, a border, and then your pieces, your florals, which you could use ephemera for this if you wanted to. And it just makes it come together really quick. So I'm going to put that there. Let's see here. And then I think I'm going to put this one up here. Trying to turn them so that the butterflies and the bees on them are right side up. Because I haven't done that every time this month. Some of them's been a little wonky, but it was okay. Okay, and I think I'm going to put this one right here. I'm going to put this here, and I have some foam on the back of it. I'm just going to put it right here. I'm really trying hard to use up a lot of these stickers, and I have foam already on the back of this, and I'm going to put it across here. And then I have this little beehive thing. Is that what it's called? A beehive? Or I can't even think of the word. And then I have this bee that I fussy cut, or not fussy cut, I die cut, and then I clipped the wings so that I could pop them up a little bit. So yeah. And then that'll leave me room right here or right here that I can, that I can journal. So I think that's going to be pretty much the layout. Like I said, really simple, but really cute. And go over and check out Joy Annie Scrapping, and give her a subscribe and a like. And check out everyone else playing along on the playlist below that's linked for May I Scraplift You and How to Kill a Kit with Style. And until next time, bye y'all.